Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the symbol of division, and that's the division symbol there. In this video, we will still use concrete materials to increase our understanding about the division process. The division symbol, which is this one here, is introduced to explain how it fits in with the division operation. We will also see that there is a link between division and multiplication. Example 1. 10 apples are shared equally between Bill and Mary. How many apples do they each receive? Any problem that involves sharing uses the division sign. Hence, the calculation involved for this problem is 10 divided by 2. That is, 10 apples shared between two people. So let's do this systematically and we can't go wrong. We take that apple, put it there. This apple, we put it there. So they have one each. Take that apple, put it there. That apple, put it there. This one, there. And this one, there. That one there, this apple there, that one there, and that one there. Now for Bill we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For Mary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they each receive 5 apples. It follows from the previous sum that, now this is where multiplication is connected with division. Let's have a look. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now what does that mean in regards to the problem we just did? Okay, 2 times 5 equals 10. If you have 2 children and each child gets 5 apples, there are 10 apples in total. That's what this number sentence means. The next one, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. If you have 10 apples and each child gets 5 apples, there must be 2 children. And finally, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. If there are 10 apples shared between 2 children, each child gets 5 apples. Example 2. There are 12 marbles on the table. These marbles are divided into groups of 3. How many groups are there? Solution. Writing the problem in symbol form, we have the following. The number of groups is 12 divided by 3. 12 represents the number of marbles, and 3 represents the number of marbles in each group, because it says into groups of 3. Groups of 3 marbles. So here we go. One group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3, and another group of 3. We can see that we have 4 groups. It follows from the previous sum that 4 times 3 equals 12. If you have 4 groups of marbles and each group has 3 marbles in it, the total is 12 marbles. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. If you have 12 marbles which are divided into 4 groups, each group has 3 marbles. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. If there are 12 marbles with 3 marbles in each group, there must be 4 groups. So there's the connection between multiplication and division. Example 3. There are 10 pens on the table. These pens are divided into groups of 5. That means that each group has 5 pens. How many groups are there? Writing the problem in symbol form, we have the following. The number of groups equals 10 divided by 5. So there are 5 in each group, so the first group has that many pens. The next group has that many pens. We can see that we have two groups. So this video has seen the process of division, and we've shown that there is a close link with multiplication.